Hi everyone, welcome to today's Wasabi live stream lesson. It's Miki. How many of you have heard the term 略語? In English, 略語 can be translated to mean abbreviated or contracted terms. Just like ASAP or LOL in English, the Japanese language also has abbreviated and contracted terms. Although they are used commonly in Japanese casual and business conversations, many Japanese people are often unaware that the terms are actually the shortened version of their authentic forms that often come from English language. In today's lesson, we will look at Japanese abbreviated and contracted terms to help you have a smooth conversation in English. In Japanese. 皆さん、こんばんは。今週もわさびライブストリームレッスンへようこそ、ミキです。今週は略語についてのレッスンをします。英語では ASAP や LOL などの略語が使われていますが、日本語の略語は略語だとあえて意識せずに、ただの常用単語として使っている方が多いです。今日はそのよく使われる日本語の略語を一緒に勉強していきましょう。First, after smartphones started gaining popularity, the terms to describe cell phones seem to have changed. Although 携帯電話 and 携帯 are still common terms for cell phones in Japanese. スマホ is an abbreviated form of the term smartphone, smartphone, or smartphone, which originates from the English word smartphone. スマホを落として画面が割れちゃった。I dropped my cell phone and the screen cracked. Another popular type of cell phone is the Galapagos 携帯, which has the traditional features of a Japanese cell phone that a Japanese cell phone company called Galapagos sells. We use the term ガラケー。私まだガラケーなんだよね。使いやすいし。I still use a traditional style cell phone. It's still useful. In terms of the names of places, these two terms are commonly used. コンビニ which comes from the term a convenience store. ちょっとコンビニ行ってくる。I'll quickly go to the convenience store. ちょっとコンビニに行ってくる。The following abbreviated place name is デパート. This term is used like デパートに行きたい. I want to go to デパート. This might be a challenging one to guess what it means, but デパート is the shortened version of a department store. デパートメントストア became デパート. デパート行きたい means that I want to go to a department store. Next, シャーペン This term is a mixture of Waseigo and 略語 because sharpen is an abbreviated version of the word sharp pencil, sharp pencil, but it indicates a mechanical pencil. シャーペン貸してもらっていい? Can I borrow a mechanical pencil? Additionally, the least of a mechanical pencil, sharpen, is 写真. The long version of this term is シャーペンの芯. This transforms to 写真. 写真の蓋が開いてて、筆箱の中で散乱してた. The case where I keep my mechanical pencil leads broke and the broken pieces are scattered all over my pencil case. Next, Apple. This term is often used in a business setting. The English noun appointment, appointmento, is shortened to apple. To make an appointment, アポを取る. Without an appointment, アポなし. For example, 今日は取引先に電話して担当者のアポを取る. アポなしで行くのは申し訳ないからね. I will call the clients to make an appointment today, because I feel bad to visit them without an appointment. In this coming holiday seasons, you might hear these two abbreviated Japanese terms. Takopa and kuripa. Takopa is a party, which is more like a gathering where the main dish is takoyaki, which is often cooked at home with friends. The longer version of this term is takoyaki party, takoyaki party, takopa. Also, kuripa is a contracted term of Christmas party. 今週クリパしよう Let's have a Christmas party this week. 今週タコパしよう Let's have a takoyaki party this week. The last Japanese abbreviated terms are made up of alphabets. OL, office lady. In Japan, OL stand for women who work at pink-collar jobs such as to serve teas and do general office works, kind of like a secretary in a more traditional sense in the Western world. The next one is KY. This term has its roots in Japanese culture of reading the air, 空気を読む, which can be compared to the concept of reading between the lines. If someone interrupts the flow of a conversation or the harmony of a group, the person can be called KY in Japan. みんな人生で最低1回は KY なことした経験があると思う. I think everyone has at least once in their life the one to be unable to read the mood in a room. Or I think everyone has at least once experienced a KY moment in their lives. Now let's move on to the contracted Japanese verbs. The first verb is an abbreviated slang term that is often used by young people. ディスる is an interesting form because it combines an English term, disrespect, and a Japanese word, suru. This means to disrespect someone or something in a way as to criticize, disagree, and belittle others by saying something disrespectful. 最近人のことディスりすぎ. You've said disrespectful things about others too much these days. The second verb is quite useful. After learning it, you will surely start to incorporate it to your day-to-day life conversation. The term is guguru. This word is the combination of the company name Google and suru, which translates to Google something. わからないことがあったらググってください. If you don't know something, please Google it. That's all for today's Wasabi livestream lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something interesting about Japan and Japanese language. Please feel free to let me know if you have any question, and I'll see you next week. See you! 今週もわさびライブストリームレッスンをご視聴ありがとうございました。来週もお会いしましょう。また来週。